everyone, Emma here from Team Homan. I'm going to be showing you another one of my favorite recipes from the thinkbeef.ca website. It is a Middle Eastern inspired koftas with tomato salad and feta yogurt sauce. So stay with me, I will show you how to make them. I've laid out all of the ingredients here. There's our beef, and I have it open on my iPad, so that's what we're looking for is our final look, our ingredients here, and then all the instructions are here. It's really easy to follow. So I like to start with making the feta yogurt sauce. I get it ready, I cover it and then put it in the fridge. So I put in a bowl here the Greek yogurt, the feta cheese, the parsley, the garlic, the milk, the olive oil, the lemon juice, the honey, and the salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna mix this really well, and then it goes in the fridge and it'll be ready to go for when the rest of the food's ready. I've combined here the ground beef, the parsley, the onions, the garlic, and all the spices. So I'll be mixing them together with my hands. Once all the ingredients are really well mixed, I've divided them into 6 equal portions, which I will be turning into cylinders. I pre-soaked some skewers here in water, and now I'm just going to put them through the cylinders to make our koftas, and then they're ready to cook. So we're ready to start cooking the meat here. Because it's still a little cold outside, we've opted to use a cast iron pan instead of the barbecue, which works well too, so you can do whatever suits your needs at the time. While the beef is cooking, I've cut up all the vegetables for the salad. Combined the ingredients for the salad dressing here. We have olive oil, lemon juice, honey, salt, and pepper. So I'm gonna whisk this together. Make sure it's really well mixed. And then I'm gonna add in the vegetables. And the mixed greens. So I've already plated the feta yogurt sauce here, and now I'm gonna add the salad. The salad makes about 6 portions. So once we've got our salad here, we're gonna add the koftas to the plate, and voila. So here we have it, our final product. This is a great healthy meal for your whole family. It's a favorite of ours. Some good things about it, you can prepare the koftas ahead of time and cook them when you're ready to use them if you need to save time on weeknights. It's a really healthy recipe. The beef is great, and I would highly recommend it. Go visit thinkbeef.ca to get the recipe.